Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0x8004de44 in Microsoft OneDrive on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So, first of all, click on Microsoft OneDrive. Click on the settings symbol here. Click on this download pointing arrow. Select Quit OneDrive. Select Quit OneDrive. Let it quit. Wait for a few seconds. Search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar. Open OneDrive and let it sync through. Okay, it will need a few seconds. I mean, it won't sync immediately, but it will need a while, but it will eventually sync. That should solve the problem for most of the users, but if it does not, then simply reset the network. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Select reset network. Click on reset network and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.